Um, Today's the my topic of discussion is be yourself. So I want to say that be yourself is a very important thing. Whenever you see the people around you who are successful, who are doing a best in their career and who are achievers, so you think to try to be want to be like them. It's very good that you think that you want to be like them, but you have also your own talent. Then you think that to be your like them, like their achievements. So do be yourself. I mean to say that if you are talented in yourself, if you have some talents, you have some hobbies, you have some feeling of doing anything in your life, do not be copy exactly the others people do in your life. Try to make something new from the talent of yourself and their talent. If you want to get their talent, so you try to see what is the basic thing, so why they are talented. Try to catch that thing and then inherit your own talent and make your the success in your life. So don't think that this man is successful because he is like this, his dressing, his way of life is this. Think about that. What is the mindset to be a successful person in this world? So mindset should be positive. You did not be afraid of facing the failures in life, because if you want to be a successful, you have to be a continuous failures also. You have to be rejected from the interviews, you have to be rejected from the family member, some family member misunderstood you, some understood you. It doesn't mean that turmoil and declination of the graph of life will be the failure of your life. Your turmoil and decline in the relationship did not consider that you are a intelligent, you are a fool, or you are a very diligent fellow. Only your hard work and your recognizing yourself is very important. It doesn't think that the other perception, other people are thinking that you are an idiot and you are a fool. You think that every idiot will become wise man by the hard work. So you are not a totally idiot person. Be think your inherent talent. Do not think that you are a worthless man in this world. Be yourself and be think that anything you can do by your hard work, that will be cleared by your success. And do not think that if you try and you will fail, then you did not try and you will fail again. Because I have read one book, I will try to say that people also read that book, that success is never ending and failure is never final. This is the confident book you study by the author called Robert Schuller. So be happy attitude, and these are the great books written by मिस्टर रॉबर्ट श्यूलर है, अमेरिकन सेलर. तो आप बिल्कुल ये मत सोचें कि यू आर ए फूल, दैट यू हैव इनहेरेंट टैलेंट इन योर सेल्फ. आपके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ है, एंड ट्राई टू स्पार्क योर टैलेंट and do never think that you are a worthless person. I will always say be yourself, be understand your career, be did not restricted to one career. Make more avenues. If you get failures, make more position, make more subject of success for yourself. Do not restrict to only one career. Move on one career to another career by the continuous hard work, not accepting the failure in your life. Try to become out of the failure and try to get rid of the quarrels and unsatisfied ideas in your mind. Thank you.